Today we will be testing the Q trend indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Q trend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 797 indicators, with 325 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 21 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now, keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. All right, so today's indicator is the Q trend indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so basically we have the line here, and we have these tags. These tags have the sell signal and the buy signal. They also have the green ones that say strong and red ones that say strong. And so I believe the way this is set up is that a red tag with a sell is kind of like a standard sell signal, whereas if it was a red tag and it had strong written in it, then that would be a strong sell signal. Same way with the green side, a standard green tag with buy is kind of a standard buy signal, and one with strong in it, green tag with strong, is a strong buy signal. And so what we're going to do is first and foremost is test it with just any tag. So we get a red tag, we're going to go short. If we get a green tag, we are going to go long. And so we'll test it that way first and see what we can get out of it. And we may test it another way, isolating out specific ones, strong ones, or just the standard ones, depending on how this one does. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal they pick up is a short signal. We get this tag right here. It is one of the strong red tags, and you can see that we get a really nice push to the downside there right after we get that signal. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a buy signal right there on that one. Pretty much immediately we get a little bit of a push to the upside, but then pretty much immediately we start to make a nasty drop to the downside there, which does come down and stop us out. Then pick up a sell signal right here. Same thing, we get a little bit of drawdown right there, a little bit of movement to the downside before it then spikes up here and comes up and stops us out and gives us a buy signal right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward some. All right, so we got that buy signal right there, and it looks like we were able to push up just enough right there to get us to our take profit, just barely on that wick. We then pick up a sell signal right here. Looks like we get a push to the downside, but just not quite enough to get us to our take profit. Nope. Before it then makes a really strong push back to the upside there, giving us a buy signal right there. I'm going to go ahead and play this one forward a little bit, see what we get out of it. All right, so this buy right here, we end up just kind of bouncing around, pretty much sideways, not really moving up, not really moving down, but then we do get a push down here, which does come down strong enough there to stop us out on that one. We then pick up a short signal right here, and you can see that we get a really nice push to the downside on that one, which does come down and get us to our take profit. All right, what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick it up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. We post some really great advanced information here. This is the Patreon only channel here, set up just for our patrons. And like I said, we post some great advanced information in here for the patrons to be able to take advantage of. We have Jay, our admin here, is posting chart analysis, market analysis of the futures market, doing a great job of trading the futures market, putting up charts like this where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and giving kind of a write-up on what it is that he's looking at, market analysis and stuff like that. Then we have Sasquatch. He's a Forex prop trader doing a great job of trading the Forex market, putting up charts like this where he is also marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and often giving a write-up of the analysis and sometimes where he is taking trades. But in general, posting some great advanced information in the Patreon only channel. Stuff like just thought experiments, advice. We sometimes will post some kind of advanced strategies and stuff like that, things that we've done with strategies or trading systems that we have tested or tried and have tweaked a little bit. And so just a lot of great information in general, great environment to hang out in. And so I highly recommend that you join us here, take advantage of this great channel. All right, back to our indicator here. Let's get everything in focus. There we go. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we had 20 trades within the 1 year's time, a decent amount of trades. Let's count out our winners and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for. This indicator seemed interesting enough, although you can kind of notice that it is giving trades kind of in clusters here. And so sometimes when we get trades like this that start to give signals in these clusters, that's usually when the indicator is running into or price action is running into some consolidation and ranging market. And so we'll often get some whipsaw action in the signals that an indicator gives when ranging market is taking place. And this one seemed to kind of do that, where we have these clusters of losing trades before it finally picks a direction that it's going a right direction that trend is going in. And so for now, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.